welcome to AutoCAD's tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to draw a rectangle and use mirror command and from command. To begin with, open a new drawing sheet. So here we are getting a new view of a new blank drawing sheet. Just for my convenience, I just switch off the grid display. To begin with, first we have to draw a rectangle. So I'll give rectangle command. As you can see, after I've written rectangle, it shows an option rectangle with 2 points. So that means I have to specify two coordinates, 1 and 2, while drawing my rectangle. I mean to say, just press enter. It says specify first corner. I'll write 0, 0. That's my first point, and then it says specify the other point. After even giving this command, when you draw the when you move your mouse, you see you are drawing a triangle, which shows that your 0, 0 is locked down, and on the other hand of the cursor you have is locked to the other diagonal. Now you give the length and breadth. So I'll give the length as 500 and the breadth as 200. Press enter. So now you have drawn a triangle with length 500, breadth 200, starting from 0, 0. Now as you can see, the rectangle is not fitting into the screen. You just need to go to the view, click on extends, so that the whole rectangle fits into your screen. Now you have to draw a line dividing this rectangle into two equal parts. Give the line command. Then it says specify first corner. So taking here, it is 0, 0, and on the this one is 500, 0. So you have to draw a line of length starting from 0 to 500, which is 100 points, 100 units above this origin. So you will give the first 0 as x-axis and 100 as the y-axis. So you see the first point is specified as 0, 100. Now for specifying the another point, you write 500. That's the x-axis, I mean the length of the rectangle, comma, specify next point. You write 500, 100, where 500 is here 500 was the length, 100 was the y-axis coordinate. So now you have got a line starting from 0, 500 to 500, 100. Now to begin with the from command, like you have to draw a line taking this 0, 500 as origin. So we'll write line, then it says specify first point. In the first point you will write from, which says you have to take this point as 0, 0. Now your base point is 0, 0. So to draw a line, take earlier one, this was 0, 0. Now for this line which you are drawing, this one is considered as 0, 0. So if you write 20, 50, you get a point that is 20 units away from the x-axis and 50 units below that y-axis, taking this as 0, 0. So here it is 20, which is 20 units away from the 0 and 50 units downwards from this. And now you just have to enter the length. I mean, I can enter 30. So now you have got a line of length 30, which is 20 units away from x-axis, 50 units away from this y-axis of the point 0, 0, which you selected here as base point. Now I'll also show you how to use mirror command. For mirror, I'll just say I'll draw a circle, specify its first point over here, then I'll specify its radius as I say 20. Now to use the mirror command, just enter mirror. It says select the object. You select the object, press enter. Then it says specify first point of the mirror line. So basically you have to specify the line along which its mirror image would be drawn. So we'll select this line as mirror line, draw a line over here. So erase source object. So it asks whether after drawing the mirror image of this, do you want to erase the original one or not. By default it's no, so you just press enter. So now you can see you have got a mirror image exactly of this circle above this, taking this one as the mirror line which you drew. Now I'll also show you how to use the trim command. For example, if you want to trim half of the circle, just say we draw a line, enter. Now say you have to remove you want to remove the above part of the circle. You just enter trim, select the object, this, press enter. So after drawing, so you have selected this as the trim line. So if you click on the line above it, it will delete its above portion. Press enter and you have got a half a circle. After that, you can also remove this line by just selecting this line, enter. So now you have got a half a semicircle. This was all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any doubts, kindly contact Harshit for more of such info. Thank you.